Welcome. Today, we're tackling a quick but essential skill, logging out of Pinterest on your PC, especially with the latest updates to the platform. If you're sharing a computer, concerned about privacy, or simply want to ensure your account isn't left open, knowing how to properly sign out is key. So, let's get right to it. First, head over to Pinterest.com and make sure you're logged in. Once you're on the Pinterest homepage, shift your focus to the bottom left corner of the screen. With the new updates, Pinterest has made some changes to the layout, so the familiar spots might not be where you expect them to be. In the bottom left corner, you should now see a gear icon. This is your gateway to the settings menu. Go ahead and give that gear icon a click. Clicking this gear icon will open up your Pinterest settings. Look for the Logout option. It's usually at the bottom of the menu. Once you find it, click Logout. This will immediately sign you out of your Pinterest account on your PC. You'll be redirected to the Pinterest login page, confirming that you've successfully logged out. And that's it. You've successfully logged out of Pinterest on your PC using the updated interface. It's a straightforward process, but knowing exactly where to find the log out option can save you time and frustration. Whether you're on a shared computer or just want to keep your account secure, logging out is a smart move. Plus, with Pinterest's occasional updates, it's always good to stay informed about these little changes. I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Now you can confidently log out of Pinterest on your PC, knowing you're keeping your account safe and secure. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more quick tips and tricks to make your online experience smoother and more enjoyable. Until next time.